Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So in the previous video we started with lesson number 2 and today inshallah we'll continue with lesson number 2. So let's begin. Bismillah. So here the first question written is Man haza wa man zalika. Man haza wa man zalika. So we have already learned that haza means this and zalika means that. We have also learned that ma means what, which is used to refer to any place, any animal, bird, or anything, okay, which does not have human mind. And man means who, which is used to refer to person, which is used to refer to people having mind. Okay. So the first question written is Man haza wa man zalika. Man haza wa man zalika. We know that man means who. So this is referring to any person. Okay. Man means who. Haza means this. Wa means and. Again, man means who. And zalika means that. Okay. Man haza wa man zalika. Man haza means who is this. Wa man zalika means and who is that. Okay. Man haza, who is this. Wa man zalika, and who is that. Question mark. Final translation is who is this and who is that. Man haza. Man haza means who is this. Wa man zalika means and who is that. Okay. Answer to which is haza mudarrisun. Haza mudarrisun. Haza means this. Mudarrisun means a teacher. So this person here is a teacher. Haza mudarrisun. Wazalika imamun. Wazalika imamun. Wa means and. Zalika means that. And imamun means an imam. Okay. Imam is someone who leads the prayer, who leads the salah in the mosque, right? So that person is called as imam. Okay. Haza mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Wa zalika imamun, and that is an imam. Okay. Final translation is this is a teacher, referring to the first person here who is a teacher teaching to the students, and that is an imam. We'll use an because it is starting with vowel I. Okay. An imam. Haza mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Wazalika imamun, and that is an imam. Okay. Man haza wa man zalika, who is this and who is that. Answer to which is haza mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Wazalika imamun, and that is an imam. Moving on to the next question. Ma zalika. Ma zalika. Ma means what? Okay, so we know that when it is ma, it means what? So it refers to any place or anything, any animal that does not have any human mind. Okay, ma means what? Zalika means that, referring to that object. So the final translation is what is that? What is that? And that object is a stone. Okay. Zalika hajrun. Zalika hajrun. Zalika means that, and hajrun means a stone. Final translation is that is a stone. Ma zalika. Ma zalika means what is that? Answer to which is zalika hajrun, that is a stone. Okay. Moving on to the last one. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza means this. Sukkarun means sugar. Okay. Sukkarun means sugar. Now we won't say a sugar, we won't add a or any vowel in that case to any word, to any noun which is uncountable. Like we cannot count sugar, we cannot count salt, we cannot count liquid like water or milk, right? So we won't add any article before that, we won't add a or n before that. Okay, haza sukkarun, haza means this, sukkarun means sugar. We won't say a sugar because we cannot count sugar, right? So we'll just say sugar. Haza sukkarun, wa means and, zalika means that, and labanun means milk. Again, here we won't add a milk because again milk is not a countable noun, we cannot count milk, right? We cannot count each drop of milk in speaking in general. So we'll just say milk. Labanun means milk. Okay, we won't say a milk, we'll just say milk. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza means this, sukkarun means sugar, wa means and, zalika means that, and labanun means milk. Final translation is haza sukkarun, this is sugar, wa zalika labanun, and that is milk. Final translation is this is sugar and that is milk. Okay, so let's revise what we've covered today. Okay, the first question was man haza wa man zalika. Man haza wa man zalika, and the translation to which is who is this. Man haza, who is this, wa man zalika, and who is that. Okay, man haza, who is this, wa man zalika, and who is that. Answer to which is haza mudarrisun. Haza mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means a teacher. Haza mudarrisun meaning this is a teacher. Wazalika imamun. Imamun means an imam, okay? And that is an imam. Haza mudarrisun wazalika imamun. This is a teacher and that is an imam. Okay? Next is ma zalika. Ma zalika meaning what is that? Ma zalika, what is that? Answer is zalika hajarun. Zalika hajarun. Hajarun means a stone. Okay. Zalika hajarun means that is a stone. Ma zalika, what is that? Zalika hajarun, that is a stone. Okay. Hajarun means a stone. Last one. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza sukkarun wa zalika labanun. Haza sukkarun means this is sugar. Haza sukkarun means this is sugar. Wazalika labanun. Wazalika labanun means and that is milk. Haza sukkarun, this is sugar. Wazalika labanun, and that is milk. Okay, so that's it for today's session. In the next video, inshallah, we'll continue with the exercise of lesson number 2. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.